Every programmer hits a wall sometimes. What matters most is how you approach it. Hello and welcome. Once you have been programming for long enough, a familiar feeling creeps up onto you. The code runs, but something's not working the way you expect. Or worse, it doesn't run at all. Once you've stared at it for hours and nothing seems to work. Here's the truth. Every programmer gets stuck, and it's not because you're bad at programming. What separates confident developers from frustrated ones is how they handle these moments when errors arise in our programs. Let's talk about how to break down a problem when you hit that wall. The first step is to break it down. Big problems can look impossible when you look at them all at once. Instead, ask yourself, what is the program actually trying to do? And then split it into smaller, more logical parts. If you're building a to-do app, for instance, don't start with the entire interface. Start with the list, then the input, then look at the function that's causing an error perhaps. Each small piece is something you can understand, test, and fix on its own. Think of coding like climbing a staircase. You don't jump to the top, you take it one step at a time. Once you've broken things down, try writing in pseudocode. That simply means you're describing your logic in plain, simple language, such as English, before writing any proper syntax. You'd be surprised how often problems become clearer once you stop worrying about commas and brackets. Pseudocode helps you separate what you want to do from how you'll do it. An important factor to keep in mind is to test each change one at a time. When something isn't working, the first instinct is to often try 5 fixes at the same time. But that only makes debugging even harder. Change one thing, then run your code and see how it reacts. And finally, although this may sound silly, talk it out loud. This is something called rubber duck debugging. It's a simple idea. Explain your code line by line as if you were teaching it to someone else, and even that someone else is a rubber duck on your desk. It sounds silly, but hearing your logic out loud will often make your error jump right out at you. When you can explain something clearly, you understand it deeply. The next time you feel stuck, remember, pause, break it down, write it out, test it step by step, line for line, and talk through your logic. Becoming a great programmer doesn't mean you'll never make mistakes. It means you know how to tackle these mistakes when they come your way. Stay patient, stay curious, and keep building.